Congress has been my first house. It's my home.
Okay.
So who can stop me from coming to my own home?
So you met whom there?
I met the leaders. I खबर घेवपाक तांची
तेंची खबर घेवपाक आयले तूं जॉइन जावपाचें हांव कितें आहा
तें मागीर कळटलें.
नो पण डिस्कशन इज अबाउट
See,
जॉइनिंग
Congress is clean. I always, it is my first home. I had spent 20 years in Congress and nobody can stop me from coming in my own home. You can stop, nobody can stop. So I came, there was a casual talk. We
They
had a
invited
chat.
you or you came to meet them?
Obviously, if parents call you, family members call you, then why you will not come to meet them?
So is Pratima ready to join Congress if he given this?
सब्र करो. पळय काँग्रेस इतली क्लीन जाल्ली आसा जी गार्बेज आशिल्ली पळय ती सगळी गार्बेज गेली. तेन्ना टॉक्सीक आशिल्ली मातशी गार्बेज आशिल्ली. आतां काँग्रेस क्लीन जाल्या. काँग्रेसाक न्यू लिडर्स मेळिल्ले आसा. काँग्रेस इज हेडिंग एंड वी आर शुअर. सो वेन इट इज क्लीन, garbage is gone. I think there is no harm for anyone to come and whatever.
ह्या दिसांनी अशें न्ही आयकूं येता की प्रतिमा इज ट्रायंग टू कॉन्टेस्ट फ्रॉम नावेली. कळ्ळें हां.
First, let's work. No, let's work. I'm doing my work. You can see my work. So that's it.
So
Zip.
काँग्रेस टिकेट पळयता तूं? काँग्रेस टिकेट पळयता तूं?
It is all nobody who can predict what is tomorrow. Politics is dynamic. It's not static.
But joining soon?
You'll come to know.